If you've been struggling with back pain and want science-backed exercises to protect your spine for life, this video is for you. Today, we'll walk through 3 powerful moves known as the McGill Big Three. Developed by Dr. Stuart McGill, a world-renowned Canadian researcher who has spent decades studying back pain, these exercises are designed to build core stability without straining the spine. Weak core muscles and poor control around the spine are common causes of back pain. The McGill Big Three target exactly that, strengthening your core while keeping your spine safe. Let's break them down one by one. Exercise 1. The curl-up. This isn't your typical crunch. Unlike crunches, which bend the spine and often cause discomfort, the McGill curl-up strengthens the abs while keeping your back protected. How to do it? 1. Lie flat on a firm surface. 2. Keep one leg bent and the other straight. 3. Slide your hands under your lower back to maintain gentle pressure. 4. Press your back lightly into your hands to activate your core. 5. Slightly tuck your chin, then lift your head and shoulders just off the ground. Breathe naturally. 6. Lower down slowly without losing core tension. For variation, place a hand on your knee and reach up to touch it for extra contraction. Do 10 to 15 reps per side, then switch legs. Exercise 2. The side plank. This move targets the obliques and deep core muscles that stabilize your spine. Levels. Beginner, bend your knees, rest on one elbow, and lift your hips while keeping your spine neutral. Hold for 10+ seconds. Intermediate, straighten your legs, place one foot slightly in front of the other, and hold. Advanced, stack your feet and hold a full side plank. Start with 3 sets of 10 to 15 seconds per side. Over time, increase your hold duration or sets. Exercise 3. The bird dog. The bird dog builds stability, balance, and coordination, all while protecting the lower back. How to do it? 1. Begin on all fours, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. 2. Find a neutral spine, not too arched, not too rounded. 3. Engage your core. Beginner, lift just one arm forward. Hold 5 to 10 seconds, then switch. Intermediate, extend one leg back, keeping hips level. Hold, then switch. Advanced, extend opposite arm and leg simultaneously. Keep your back stable, avoid twisting, and hold for 10 seconds. Perform for about 1 minute, switching sides every 10 seconds. Why these exercises work? The McGill Big Three provide maximum stability with minimal stress on the spine. They're perfect as a warm-up, part of your daily routine, or even before a walk. With consistency, they can ease back pain, strengthen your core, and make everyday movements easier. Final thoughts. The McGill Big Three are safe, effective, and backed by decades of research. Add them into your daily practice, and you'll feel your core growing stronger and your spine more supported.